favorite Viking?
It's a Viking.
Yes, it's a Viking. Okay,
A
okay.
Viking.
It's Halloween! It's Halloween!
It's Halloween!
Yeah, it's Halloween. So, for Halloween, let's put on your costume. So, what costume do we want? What do we want to be? So, everyone will say, I want to be!
I want to be!
So, I want to be a cowboy!
I want to be a cowboy!
I want to be a witch!
I want to be a witch!
I want to be a pirate!
I want to be a pirate!
Okay, continue like this with all our monsters, okay? Well, we have monster, ghost, ballerina, spider, all the costumes you can think of. Not all, actually only 8. So, let's place them on the board. Let's repeat again, okay? Bat!
Bat!
Cowboy!
Cowboy!
Witch!
Witch!
Pirate!
Pirate!
Monster!
Monster!
Ghost! Ballerina!
Ballerina!
Spider!
Spider!
So, 2 teams. Team 1, team 2. Team 1, come here. Jan will be number 1. Sorry. Team 2. Cliff will be number 2. So, what you have to do is say, I want to be a witch. If you say it right, I say, okay, you high-five me, you take it, you go in the back, okay? And go! I want to be a monster! Yes, go!
I want to be a bat.
Yes,
I want to be a ballerina.
go!
I want to be a witch!
Go! I want to be a cowboy! Go!
A pirate.
No! Sorry, bye!
I want to be a ghost.
Yes!
I want to be a spider!
A spider!
I want to be a spider!
Yes, okay, high five. Okay, and you continue like this until everything is gone. So, Jan did a little mistake, so, oops, he went at the end. Andrea did a very small mistake. We don't want to, this was, she's learning English, so of course you don't want to, we don't want to be too harsh on her. But Jan just didn't respect the rules. He knew that. So we know Jan does that. Anyway, you guys have fun with this game. Bye. Happy Halloween.